Welcome to Chef Food channel. Viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. In today's video, I am going to show you various sink tap designing ideas for modern kitchen design, white color theme designing ideas about sink of your kitchen. So if you're new in our channel, so you can subscribe the Chef Food channel and also hit the bell icon to get every video notification that is going to be missed if you are not going to press the bell button. So you can see various style sink and sink taps are here for you for your modern style kitchen. More than 50 plus designs are shared for you. Chef Food always bring videos for you about the modern kitchen ideas, about the cabinet, about the kitchen, about the color combination and all the stuff you need for your modern style kitchen if you are making your new home. So this video is for you if you are watching new kitchen ideas 2021. You can also watch about more than 500 plus recipes of chef food about Pakistani, Indian, Italian, continental cuisine, and you can make your desired in the comment section. So we will make video for you according to your wish, according to your recipe, and will be shared on our channel Chef Food. You can give your feedback and we used to read your feedback, and hoping that you guys find it helpful, kindly give me a like and also share this video to your friends and family members. I will meet you in my next video. Till there, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned to our channel Chef Food. Don't forget to subscribe.